The radiator grille consists of one grille, green arrow, mounted in the hood. The hood ornament attaches to the center of the hood, red arrow, and can be easily removed from beneath the hood. To replace your hood ornament, open the engine hood. To remove the hood ornament, you will have to rotate the retaining tab, red arrow, 90 degrees until it aligns with the slots, green arrow. I use a pair of pliers with the jaws in the wider setting, red arrow. Then put the jaws of the plier inside the tab, green arrow, and rotate them until they are aligned with the slots. Using the pliers in the wide stance makes it so I don't have to keep much pressure on the tabs. The jaws of the pliers are in just about the right position to get a good bite. Once the hood ornament is rotated and aligned, remove the ornament from the hood. To install, hold the ornament flush with the hood, then reach inside the hood and put the jaws of the pliers inside the tabs, green arrow, and rotate them until they are rotated 90 degrees away from the slots. Again, using the pliers in the wide stance will enable you to put little pressure on the tabs. The jaws of the pliers are in just about the right position to get a good bite. To replace the hood grille, open the engine hood, then remove the 6 8mm fasteners as indicated by the red arrows. Be sure to support the grille while removing the fasteners, as it could fall and damage the hood mounting holes or the grille. Remove the grille from the hood. Before installing the new grille, be sure there are sheet metal anchors, red arrows, on the new grille. If not, transfer them over to the new part. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.